Hello world! We is live once again, and I'm on Windows, because we are going to be doing some RPG Maker 2003 style stuff here. Alright, so I'm gonna be what do I want to do? I'll just make like a little grass area here. Guess we'll make a menu kind of thing. I don't need a little event here. It's been so long since I used RPG Maker 2003, dude. It feels so good to use it again. Okay, I need to go to common events here. Okay, so we're gonna toggle a switch, control switches, toggle on and off. Okay, yeah, we'll name this switch menu, and actually let's add this in a conditional branch. Where in the heck is conditional branch on Okay, it's not on this page, I don't see it. I think we already fully checked this and I just kind of skimmed it, but okay, it might be 4. Where the heck is it? Oh, okay, it is on 3, it's way over here. Alright, if menu is on okay, we're also going to have a variable here, and this is going to be called menu page, and the menu page will determine the circumference of a hooker. I don't know what I'm saying. I need another conditional branch. Okay. Okay, so it seems in order to grab a key, we need to do other, I'm guessing. I know there's like a way to get the last input. Hey Neo, what up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Yeah, I'm just playing around with RPG Maker real quick, trying to break the limits of things. So it has to be control variables then, right? Not an other. And it doesn't seem to be in the original conditional branch. After event. No. Oh, trigger by decision key. No, that's not gonna do me any good. At least you're trying to remember the name of ice and frozen systems. I wouldn't try man, I wouldn't bother with that, dude. Just let it go. I get it. Let it go. Frozen. No, never mind. I'll stop. I know it's here though. If not, we'll open this editor up in frickin' Gidra, dude. Add the dang thing. Not really. I don't know how to do that yet. Okay. It's not here anywhere, is it? What? Glacial shards. Ah, gotcha. No, I know. I was just messing with you. Okay. Now, what in the world? Where is it, dude? It has been so dang long since I've used this. It has to be here, right? But it's not. Alright, you know what? Google time. RPG Maker? Okay. Oh, that's annoying. Thank you. Yeah, it's not going to help me any at all. Well, let's try... Oh yeah, void shards. Yeah, I think I remember something like that. Alright, how can we get around this without, like... No, I know for a fact there was a way. I just don't remember what it was for some reason. Key input processing. There it is. That's what it is. Paranormal is indeed interesting. I agree. Okay, I want to do all the keys and then... Oh gosh, I just realized this is going to be loud and... No full screen, but yes to the title. Okay. Hey, Charles, how you doing? Okay, so that's 4, 1, 2. Okay. Nope. I'll just use Notepad. We don't. You know what? Let's go old school. We don't need VS Code. 4 is up. 2 is left. 3 is right. We're gonna be breaking the limits of one is done. RPG Maker 2003, and we're gonna like make an entire custom menu system. Like, you can even, because of like how powerful the show picture command is and everything, you can even yeah, you can do all kinds of cool stuff. It's amazing what you can do. Like I'm talking, you can even make a full-on shmup, like like a side-scrolling shooter game if you wanted to, with events alone. That's how powerful the thing is here. And I do remember it being, oh man, I needed to. Okay, 5 is enter. Okay. Yeah, 6 is back. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Shift is 7. Alright. Now we're going to do conditional branch, and we're going to see if key 6 is called. And the thing is on. Now we're gonna need a third, we're gonna need a second switch actually. We just need to no press. Okay, I didn't mean to. Okay. And then if the, we should probably start commenting this as well. So if the key input is equal to 0, that means no keys are pressed. Else, it's going to be turned to true. And we need to do this so that we can only, like, we can make it so that if we're holding the dang key, it's not going to, like, constantly open and close the menu. Okay, so to make sure this is working, we're gonna do hide screen, transition, we'll do mosaic. And then to show it again, we'll quadrisection, why not? Just something fun. Yeah, no, I like that. Although, in my opinion, though, Phantom does sound cooler than Paranormal, in my opinion. There we go. And, well, it would fade back, but I don't, okay, I need to... Okay, where is... Can we, like, disable the title, like, on the start without having to... Well, what we can do then is, there it is. Change menu access, disable. So we fade it out, but it doesn't get faded back in. Why? I'm gonna have to unfortunately do this here, which is gonna spam me real quick, but that's alright. I'll just do this. One sec. There we go. I'm just not sure of the element that is being called, man. Okay, so that is being set properly. So what's the issue? Oh, I did hide screen again. I could have sworn I'm telling you, man, history is changing in real time, like right in front of our friggin' faces. Alright, fade out, fade in. There we go. Objection! Roger, what up? How you doing? Alright. So now our menu call system is working. So instead of the show and hide, we are going to control the tent. We're going to do should we do like a fancy thing as well, or just tent the screen? Nah, I'll just tent it. Should have just Alright, so this is also going to be, this is actually going to be an auto run one here, and this is going to stop us from like moving around. And it should stop other events. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. Should stop other events from processing and stuff as well. Only like while the menu is active. So let's try that. And we can move. Oh, yeah, no, I accidentally, I left one of the fades. Yeah, there it is. No, it's not working right. Oh yeah, no, auto events don't do that anymore, in this version. We need to actually like halt the flare's movement. I think there's like a certain button for it actually. Yeah, there we go. Stop all movement. It should cancel though as soon as, you know, like me on Twitter. Stop. Alright, there we go. Yep, there we go. We cannot. Okay, now that is not ideal. Maybe it still needs to be parallel? Airless, what up? Hey, did you see earlier, Airless? It's not working like that. Okay. I think we just need like to have a conditional thing. So what I can. We're not gonna do a wait. I think that was the issue. Yeah, earlier, Airless, we finished it. We got like the little text dialogue and everything. It's on my Linux partition, and I should have moved it to the. Oh yeah, dude, the fireworks are awesome, right? Okay, well let's try this then. I'm hoping this right here works. Just a conditional branch check. Huh. Wait for key input. That works. But yeah, we ended up finishing the thing. There we go. There we go. I don't get it though. Menu's supposed to be on. Trying to learn how to draw shapes in a plugin for a HUD. Just give me attitude. I got you, fam. I got you, fam. Let's do that real quick. Hold up. Yeah, it's still doing the thing. Shouldn't though. Alright, I'll figure this thing out later. I want to. Okay. I hope you're ready to learn, Airless. Gonna learn today. Alright. Gradle? The heck is a Gradle? Oh, that's the Gidger thing I was think. Heck's a Gradle. You're so ready to learn, bro. You gonna be learning. Let's see. I'll use this folder here, and I'll use RMMZ code. I'll also go offline. Okay, I'm already offline. Good. Okay, so let's see. Will RPG Maker open in the wrong window? Find out next time on Dragon Ball P. Try copying straight from the Pixel website, but RMZ tells me it's black breakdown was undefined. Oh, no, you can ignore all of that. So let me explain what I mean. I will enlighten you, and you will. What the heck is that? Okay. You do you. I'm going to call it airless draw.js. First, we're going to make a class, and it's going to extend a sprite class. So this class is going to be called, well, we'll say eSprite for airless sprite. Extends sprite. Let me zoom in. Golly. Caustic Ninja Claws. The shards turn into Ninja Claws that stab. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. So we're going to do initialize here. And we're going to give it a defined width and height, right? You could use pixie.graphics, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to use a defined width and height. This is going to be, we're going to do super.initialize. You're using MZ, right? I can't remember. I think you're using MZ. If so, you're going to do new rectangle. 0, 0 width, height. No, wait a minute. I'm dumb. Sorry. New bitmap. That's because it already exists. Okay. And okay, now we're gonna do draw. We'll say draw. We'll do like move to, line to X, Y. Okay, so we'll do this dot line color, and then this dot fill color. So I'm going to show you the whole works. Like I'm going to show you how to do like gradients and all that stuff. So first we're going to do, is this all we're going to need? No, we're going to need stroke as well and fill. This bitmap dot context dot stroke. So this is a if you want, you can have like a function here, get context, return this. So we will do this dot get context dot stroke and dot fill. And we're gonna need begin path as well. Okay, set stroke color, this dot line color equals color. We're gonna do set fill color, fill equals doctor. No, stop. Color. Okay. Now, this dot get context dot move to XY, line 2 XY. We'll also add size here. Line width equals 1. And we're going to predefine this, so if you don't want to change the size, it'll just be the same. Ninja stars. Okay, so I'm assuming you don't want me to like slow down or anything, so I'm assuming you're gonna like watch this after and pick it up on there, or do you want me to explain it all like right here? After you copy it all, it'll start to make sense, but I don't mind explaining it if you want. You know what? I'll explain it anyways. Do what makes the best for you. Honestly, I'm just here for the fun of it, and it's fun for me regardless. So it's let's see. All right, so you already know about the RPG Maker Sprite class, right? If you don't, it's a class that is in RMMZ core, and it basically is a glorified pixie dot sprite. Inside events, you can make shapes appear from inside events in MZ, but somehow the files isn't working. What? What does it even mean? I'm so so confused. But instead of using constructor, we're actually going to override. We're actually going to use initialize, and we're creating a new bitmap with a width and height. These are temporary like variables that are going to be applied to the context, which is HTML2D context. So we're kind of making shortcut commands here. So begin pass is the exact same as. Let me pull this up here and I'll give you the. You can read up more up on the HTML canvas 2D thing there. But yeah, we're beginning the path so that it doesn't lag. Too long, didn't read. We're allowing you to draw a line from and to coordinates, so we can draw just about any shape. We're going to bow, gun, and shotgun. What kind of poison would that work with? Ion types of ammo, like poison though? I don't know. Radioactive. Plague. Use plague. Yes, use like a plague name for that. Like plague shell or something, I don't know. Alright, so basically we're going to do. I'm just going to add this to the title real quick. Plague is something else. I mean, you know, plague is like sickness and all that. I figured. Decay? I don't know. Dry aged beef. Infection? Yeah, there you go. Why not blight? Hey, good idea. Thank you, Renkai. We'll do graphics.width, graphics.height. What am I doing? Okay. Now we're gonna. And then I'm going to do another. Okay, let's see if this works. It should. Wait, this is not even... that's my character builder thing I started working on. Could do that live as well. It'd be fun. How would they work? I have no idea. Other than yes. Okay, arrows draw. Make sure these other things are where is oh, there it is. So as you can see, we have a little triangle here, airless. But it doesn't have to necessarily be a triangle. Like you can do some like weird shape like that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And that's how you would basically draw shapes and stuff. If you want to do a gradient, we'll just do color 1, color 2. If color 2, wait, if this dot arguments, no, what am I doing? If arguments dot length is greater than 1, then, okay, hold on, I need like a little refresher real quick. HTML 2D canvas gradient. But yeah, so that's how you can draw like a custom shapey stuff. Pretty easy. Create linear gradient, I suppose. Can you expand on the set color? Like say I wanted to do a 5 colors, would it just keep adding it? Yep. Yes, it would. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this, and then we're gonna do context equals this dot get context. Oh no, you'd be surprised. It's actually not jumping too far ahead. How can I explain this? Okay, actually I'm gonna do something a little fancy here. Okay, create linear gradient. We're gonna do arguments dot map. Wait, no, we're not. We're gonna do for let I in arguments. I'm gonna somehow need to figure out okay, this dot no, okay, so we'll do width height. And I equals 4, I is less than arguments dot length, I plus plus. Okay, I need to see this. See if this works. The main body is, yeah. Main body is huge and holds us up with a bunch of hands. He throwing hands. This boss got hands. Nani? Exquisite muy. It's very red. Why the heck did it not console log? Oh, never mind. I guess it wouldn't until I did the stupid thing. Alright, so we should do X and Y. So we'll say max, okay, we'll say like 122 for the X. No, we'll do 0, 0. And then the width and height, 122, 122. Okay, still shouldn't argue anything at the moment. Man, it's really annoying to... Illegal invocation. You're illegal. Okay. So it looks like we can't do it that way. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. No? Alright. What does that even mean? I guess you can't do it that way. Alright, well, whatever. We'll just do it this way. Okay, so it needs to be 5. Alright, so now we're going to actually do our colors here. So we're going to say... white... red, some kind of gray, yellow, and blue. This is going to be one heck of a thick color. Okay, so now we're going to say const len equals one divided by arguments dot length minus 5. Okay. Okay, right now this should give us... Why did it do that? I did not have that before this thing. Huh? Right. Yeah, okay, there's all our colors, which is good. Accept that. Wait a minute, make more sense. Make it have more sense. The undying giant Naga was a giant snake. No, you're good, man. Hey, don't apologize. Hey, when we're hype, we're hype. So the undying Naga is actually a detachable head and neck. Let's find Spood to return to the main body. That's really cool. Yeah, that's really cool. So gradient.add color stop arguments I This.fill color equals gradient. Okay, so now it should work. Should have like a gradient. Yep, there we go. So errorless, there you go. There you have it. The gradient's positioning is a little bit weird though, so let me go ahead and give you a W3 example real quick. If you're still here, I mean. If not, you can watch this. You're probably watching this already at another point. You can do radial gradients too. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. You're there? Okay. Then there's one more thing I want to show you then. If you already have a path laid out, like let's say get line path, let's say like you already have your path laid out, so we can do the X and Y, so we'll do 0, 0, 144, 144, 44, 144, 344, 224. So basically this is a two-dimensional array. And we're just using it for like X and Y coordinates. So we can do this, const path equals this dot get line path. And then we're gonna do var max width equals 0, var max height equals 0. And we're gonna center the gradient by using this little technique here. And we're also going to do var angle for the X and Y the gradient here. And this is going to be based on path 0 equals math.atan2 path 0 1. What we need to do. One sec, let me finish this first and then I'll. Yeah, let me finish this part and then I'll explain it. Okay. Last 1 minus first 1. Last 0 minus first 0. So this is going to get the angle between the first and the last points. This isn't the best way to do it. The best way to do it would be like finding an average. So I guess if you want, we can probably do that actually. Huh. Nah, I'm not gonna worry about all that. Actually, the best thing you can do is go to the earliest point. So yeah, we'll ignore that part for now. And we'll do var lowest point equals 0, 0. And then we'll do var highest point equals 0, 0. This is going to help you align the gradient basically perfectly. Now we're going to do path.map p, and then we're going to do if lowest point is less than, no, so the lowest point needs to start at like something like insane. So if lowest point 0 is greater than P0, lowest point equals, 0 equals P0. We're going to do the same thing for 1. Ideally, you would throw this all in a function. And we're going to copy and paste that and do the same thing with the high points, except if it's less than. What the? What's happening? What? What? Dude. There it is. I am having some kind of an attack. Alright. So yeah, and we're gonna say highest point is then equal to, you know. So now we set the lowest and the highest points. And for this right here, we're gonna do lowest 0.0, lowest 0.1, highest 0.0, highest 0.1. I think that's really all we need to do. Yeah, and that's going to align the gradient so that it's always going to match. So like, if we were to change this to graphics.width and then like graphics.height, this it'll make sure the gradient is always like proper, kind of. But right now we're not moving to these locations, so we need to do that. So we're gonna start by doing this.move to, and we're going to do first 0, first 0, first 1, and then we're gonna do for let I equals 1, I is less than path.length, I plus, and then we're gonna do line 2, path I 0, path I 1. And then now we can just edit the little path thing down there to sort of cleanly like define like what we want. So we can actually add another line to graphics.width divided by 2, 0, that kind of thing. And it'll automatically go up here. And yeah, looks nice. Thank you. You're able to add as many colors as you want right here. If you want to like clean this up a little bit, what you can do, do 3 dots and then gradient colors. We'll do gradient colors equals, and then you can have like all your stuff in here and whatnot. And if you were to change this entirely, so like let's say like something like that, the gradient's overall shape will also change. So it's always going to match up. And we can do, let's see. This should have like a giant white border around it. Yeah. But if you notice, it's not doing the border here. And that's because we didn't actually technically finish the thing. When you do fill will automatically go from the last point to the first point before filling in. So if you want to outline the whole thing, make sure you also you end with the same start that you had. Now, drawing circles. It should be should be context.arc. XY radius. Start, finish. Not missing an argument, I don't think. Okay. Dope. Yeah, definitely. Sorry to hear that you're working late, though. Nani? Where'd my brain go? Alright, So before drawing the circle, we actually want to begin a new path. So draw sprite dot begin path dot arc. We'll do graphics dot width divided by 2, graphics dot height divided by 2, radius. We'll say like 50. So that's how wide it is. I mean, what's it? Because I have 5 things to do at once right now. Bruh, that's dope. We'll make like a pie chart. So we'll do start 0, end we'll do, I just want to do like half of pi, or divided by 3. So let's, yeah. And then we'll do this dot draw sprite dot fill. And it'll look messed up because the gradient we have is still tied to the thing, but arc is not a function. Yes, it is. Oh no, it's not. Why did I do dot arc for this draw circle? The dot arc thing is in the draw circle function. Bin is not defined. You're talking about? Yes, it is. Oh. Hook, line, and sinker. There you go. Oh, wait a minute. Negative math.pi needs to be the start, I believe. And yeah, negative math pi needs to be the start. And no. Alright, hold on. 0 math.pi. This should make a half circle here. Yeah, it does. Yeah. But yeah, so if you want a full circle, just do times 2. This dot draw sprite dot set fill. If you just want the outline, then just do dot stroke. I'm a good teacher. Thank you. I appreciate that. So yeah, now we just like made like a little circle there. And yeah, that's pretty much how you draw shapes. I don't want to just leave you with that though, so I want to... Wait a minute. Canvas coordinates. Should be... Okay. HTML, 2D, canvas. What just happened? You can do like soft edges, rounded edges and stuff by using Bezier curve too. And another cool thing I want to show you, you can do this. Okay, update, super.update. If input.is triggered cancel, this dot draw sprite dot blend mode plus this dot draw sprite dot blend mode equals blend mode %3. Now watch this. This is cool. Can't even English. Bump. We can change the blend. Dag nabbit, I want to do. Right. We can do multiply, overlay, and screen. I need to go up by 1. I'll do fill, might as well. There's screen. Yeah, so blend modes are a thing that are like super useful when you're doing various other effects, but there you go. I know that was an earful, but yeah, it should be on YouTube at some point. Alright, so back to the RPG Maker thing. We're going to be making a custom little menu. I don't know how long I'm going to stream for, but I just feel like streaming right now. Okay. Conditional branch, if menu is on, then it waits for the key input. If not, that should have already been like that. I don't know why it wasn't. You're just here? I got you. It's been perfect and very useful. Thank you. Okay, that should be good. But it's not menu anymore, dude. Why are you still not capable of moving? Okay, so annoyingly, what we're gonna have to do is make yet another variable, and this one is gonna be called input timer. And this is always going to be added by 1. Yeah, so we'll do... No, yeah, there we go. We'll do that. So we're going to set it to 0 if you are pressing a key. And if not, we're going to add by 1 constantly. And then finally, one last conditional branch to check. Because it seems like there's like a... Oh, hold on. It seems like there's like a thing that is preventing it from... I mean, it's making it go to 0 and then back to the key that it's... at previously, so we need a timer to offset that. So we're gonna do conditional branch, and key timer is equal to, like, say 5. So if it's equal to 5, we're going to turn no press off. Dude, it has been so windy. Okay, well, it's still not doing it. That's obnoxious, and I don't understand why. Oh, we didn't set it to 0. We're adding by 0. That still doesn't make sense, though. Huh. Okay, well, what we can do then is yet another conditional branch. To check and see if key timer is equal to 1. And if it is, do all this stuff. Man. Yeah. Dude, I know. What language is 2003's? It's all events, but it's so powerful. It is remarkably powerful. You can basically do anything you want with the events, almost. Which is what we're going to be doing here, kind of trying to like make like a little menu thing. But it doesn't seem to want to friggin'... Oh, the music is bopping though. Oh, let me show you like one of my favorite ones. Although I can't actually hear any sound yet. Hold on. Okay, it should be... Should be adventure or something. Come on, why did they rename it? I don't even know what it would be called now. Oh. Might be... Come on, what was it? Oh. No, it's not that. That is a bop right there, dude. Alright, let me try. Come on, what the heck? What would it have been called? Oh. No. I know it's gotta be here. Oh, this one slaps. Yeah, there's something appealing about it, like the old. Watch it be this one. There it is. Listen to this one, Airless. This is my favorite one. Like, listen how much this slams, dude. Like, this just gets you so ready for an adventure. Like, that is so hype. Yeah, I know. It's really good, isn't it? It's a bit dreamy. It is. Why is no press constantly being off though? Put 6. No press. Yeah, if it's on. Oh! No, it still doesn't work. Why? Okay, well, let's get rid of the whole no press thing entirely. If key timer is equal to 1 again, let's try that. Let's try like a 2. Oh, nice. So, yeah, they kind of work very similar to each other. Why in the world? Alright, you know what? We're going to make a debugger. Is there no preview thing for this? Come on, dude. Oh yeah, it's gonna be in the RTP. Okay. Common Shoemaker S3 RTP, which stands for runtime package. Okay, here's where the numbers are. Okay, I'm gonna open this with GIMP. Actually, I don't need to. I'm gonna take the moon, take the sun, hang everything that he like fun. Chowder is robbing a bank. We're gonna put this in pictures, like the little window thing. And we're gonna make a little debugger before we do anything else. So I'm gonna just get over to all that. And it's gonna be debugger. So picture number will be 1. The display position will be constant. Picture graphic, replace last charn, value a variable. Replace last for. Okay, so we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No, we'll just do, yeah, sprite sheet. Oh, that's so dang, that's so cool. Alright, yeah. I was hoping we can get away without having to go to GIMP, but we are going to need the GIMP because the GIMP is pimp. Okay. Go here and get a virus. Wake up before your alarm goes off? Your internal clock is pretty decent. Yeah, I think after I make the debugger, I'm just gonna... No, I still want to continue. So I'm gonna... yeah, I'm definitely gonna continue some more. Including pushing images above the ground layer. Actually, that's a lot easier than you think. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I will, because it's not difficult. So when you want to have something above the ground layer, but like below all the other layers and stuff, what you would do is you would do scene manager dot scene dot underscore sprite set dot add child, right? And the sprite, but your sprite, the Z index for your sprite would have to be like a 4, and that's above. 3, I believe, is the same layer as the characters, or is that 2? 2 or 3 is the same layer as the characters. But if you add the child to the sprite set, and this is assuming you're using scene map, but no, so I know 1 is the ground, and I think 4 is like the above trees and stuff like that. Let me take a look real quick. Should be like a sort thing here, dude. Ah, here we go. Tile map, compare children. That's not gonna tell me anything though. Yeah, it is in the core. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's that's needed, but I can't remember now if oh, here we go. This will be in objects. Okay. This priority type times 2 plus 1. So yeah, 2 is the same, 3 is above, and 1 is below. It only shows up once in the layer details. What do you mean? I'm confused. Oh, you're talking about from the thing that we were working on before? Gampy, there it is. Dude, I feel that. Well, the insomnia part anyway. Oh, no, I was just looking for a reference on like what number was what. So yeah, it's 1 is the ground layer, 2 is the layer that that the actors are on, and 3 is like the second tile layer thing. Three is like anything that's above the player. Gamp, will you hurry, please? Thank you. So yeah, once that's done, we're gonna create a little debugger, and then we can really go places. Dude, I'm about to be a grandma by the time this is done. You know what? I'm gonna get me a Coke. Be right back. Gimp, what are you doing? Why are you taking so long to install? Ma? Yes, because I would have aged so much, my body would have naturally learned to gender swap. Dude, customizing your home base is popular. Drawing pictures is the easy way to learn. Change the tiles. Oh yeah, kind of like Yanfly's, what the heck was that thing called? Yanfly had like this really cool tool that allowed you to place objects and stuff in maps. Okay, why is this taking 100 years for real? I mean, I know I'm on a VM, but come on. Yeah, nothing. There's no reason that it should be taking this long. Yo, Airless. Okay, immediately, like, the insane respect that I already had for you just went up even more. Yo. Doodads, yeah, that's what it was. What a natural dinner thought. Or, could I imagine having a huge personality? No one's stopping your imagination, but, yeah, you do you. I won't judge. Yeah, virtual machines with GPU pass-through is freaking amazing, dude. Like, you can't even tell that this is a VM. Except, unless you look at the processor and you realize, wait, this is supposed to have 8 cores and 16 threads now. Okay. Why is it still opening the stupid thing? What is going on here? Okay, you know what? You are glitching out hard. Huh? What? What just happened? Does YouTube have a clip thing? Can somebody clip that? I don't know what just happened, but my system just like, or Windows rather, just like had an absolute mental breakdown. What just happened? Or GIMP did. No, it was Windows because it was doing this here and like my whole thing right here was lagging. This is why I use Linux normally. Okay. Documents and... I meant Briac. pictures. Okay, these should be what? 96, right? No, it is 82. You have to clip and post? I got you. No. Okay. Let me break pictures. Now, this is the annoying part. If I remember properly, you have to do like some kind of RLE encoding thing if you want the with RPG Maker. Let's try this one. With RPG Maker 2003, automatic pixel format. Okay, now it'll tell me here, right? 8-bit gamma integer. So that would be an 8-bit RGB. Not saving any of that data. Save resolution, creation time. Save gamma. Think. Now we're gonna find out. The image is not 256 colors. I knew it. Fine. You know what? We'll cheese it. What we'll do, make a new layer here. Check this out. At the very top. And then 8216. Oh, dang it. Alright, so yeah, now this should work. But it doesn't. Son of a hooker, dude. Fine, we'll do it this way. We'll just do the good old BMP. Run length encoded. Why can I not enable run length encoding on this? This is gonna get annoying fast. Okay, you know what? When in doubt. Did you make a video on editing the MZ window skins? Or MV? Or something over a year ago. It was really useful. I think I did. Honestly, I can't remember if I did or not. Well, you know what? I don't care how bad it looks. If it works, it works. Until I can find out the friggin' format again for this. Select the color to be transparent. It'll be this one. Okay, debug font, and then this will be based on the variable key input. And then the width for this is 10, no, 9. Yeah. No, it is 10. What am I doing? Okay, by doing that, now as you can see, we have a thing that's always on screen here, telling us our input. But it should be at the top left, so I don't know why. I mean, it should always be there, like even if it's 0. So we're gonna add key input by 1 real quick. Okay, yeah, now it is there, but it's just in the top right, and we'll just do like 16 by 16. Have it always display. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. It's pretty cool. So that's why it was like that, because it wasn't always a 0. Instead, it actually, I believe, became a -1 at some point. So shift is 7. Yeah, okay. So our notepad note still works. Where'd it go? Did I close it? That's annoying. Okay. Now we're gonna do input processor. I'm gonna constantly add that by 1. Now we can do conditional branch. If key input is equal to 0, then we're gonna set the variable back to 0. Now we can do like the menu processor auto run, and we'll say conditional branch if menu is enabled. We can also get rid of the no press value now. We don't need that anymore. No, I don't want to try Microsoft 365 Family. Okay, so if it's off and key input is 5, I think it was, man, I can't remember. Let's see real quick. Na, 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 na. 6, that's what it is. Okay, we're gonna be lagging until we get rid of that. Okay, we're gonna have a open menu sound just for debugging instead of just fading the screen. Where is the place sound effect? We'll do chime 2. Yeah, so if key input is 6 and key timer is 1, else matter of fact, we can oh, I was doing the wrong variable anyway. I'll optimize this more tomorrow, I think. Start different setting, no reason. I can last 3 days, a few days later on my body consequences. Yeah, that's generally not a good thing to do. You might not want to do that. In fact, it's a good idea to not do that. I'll do cursor too. Then we'll turn menu on. Control switches, menu is on. Control switches, menu is off. Because it's true. Like, you should not torment yourself like that. What just happened? What? Huh? Alright, why? Okay. Then we're gonna do change this to Yeah, I'm about to get ready to go to sleep. Not sleep, but like, you know, call it for the rest of the day. Because this doesn't seem to be working. Alright. If I auto run that. And we do the wait for input thing at the bottom. Man, future white, does that count? Yes. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go as well. Have a good night, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Retelling of How I Met Your Mother. Bye, guys.